And this illustrations and this video tutorial we are going to learn how to illustrate a icon, that's typing icon, laptop typing icon. This is very easy, and so I'm going to make a new icon here, and for this I need some perspective drawing. So here we concentrate this place, just draw like this, holding shift and holding shift. Here intentionally it's little bit up, okay, little bit of bent like this. So just making it thicker stroke. Now here I'm going to make a hand, just one hand, and just continue for this time. This hand, this is stroke, and now click here, click here, click here, and click this portions, and now hit escape button to release this one. And so now click this portions, click here, click this portion, click this portions, and this portion, click this portions, and now click here, click this portion, and for making a hand like this, here click here, click here, a little bit of paint like this, and now hit alt for making a corner, and now hit this portion, hit this portion, and hit here and hit here. Okay, now for this portions, a little bit of enlarging this is, and now you can see this is a tree, and now I need to make one more. So for making one more, just this thing, and now hit here, hit here, hit this portion, and hit this one, and no fill color. So here our so here our one hand, and now this portion, specify some point. Okay, now this is our hand is ready. Now you can see this is say looking very wet here. I need no fill, so it's going to be ready. And here with the help of curvature tool you can fix this portion, and now copy, paste it font, transform, reflect, hit OK. Sorry, first of all you need to group everything. Now transform, reflect, hit OK. After hitting OK, this is the another hand. Now laptop typing hand is almost ready. Now just click here and make a stroke, just one stroke, and select this thing, hitting Control G for group everything, and just it here and hit a couple of times your right arrow. Okay, now Alt, with the help of Alt, transform, reflect, hit OK. Now put it side like this. Okay, now your logo is almost ready, but here we need to shift with the help of this is your smart guide on, so it's helping you to point out the right area, the holding shift, and now put it like this. So our logo is almost complete, but here a little bit of this like this, and now like this. Okay, so here almost ready. Now our logo of typing laptop is almost ready. Logo, and you can call it icon, flat type of icon. So thank you very much for watching this video tutorial. Stay tuned. Welcome. Bye bye.